The secret budget method schools never teach but the rich know.
Welcome to Big Leaders Finance Academy. Please subscribe.
The secret budget method schools never teach but the rich know. If you've ever wondered how wealthy people seem to stay ahead, even when the economy struggles, even when bills pile up, and even when most of us feel trapped by debt, this is their secret. It's not flashy. It doesn't get taught in schools. And it doesn't involve fancy spreadsheets or motivational quotes. But it works. Most people learn budgeting the wrong way. Track every naira. Allocate percentages. Hope discipline magically appears. That system fails most people, not because they're lazy, but because life is unpredictable. Bills don't ask for permission. Emergencies don't follow rules. And emotions don't respect percentages. The method the rich use focuses on survival first, stability second, and growth third. Not motivation, not goals, not dreams. Stability first. Here's how it works. First, you stop budgeting for your entire income. Schools teach you to plan every dollar. But the rich know reality is different. Life is unpredictable. Something always comes up. Instead, this method separates money into two worlds: survival money and discretionary money. Survival money is the minimum required to stay alive and stable for the month. Rent, food, transport, electricity, water, and unavoidable obligations. Not luxury. Not comfort. Survival. If your income disappeared tomorrow, this is the number you'd need to remain calm. Most people don't know this number. They budget emotions instead of reality. When you calculate it honestly, clarity emerges. You stop guessing. You stop hoping. You start seeing money for what it really is. A young man earning his first corporate salary once thought he needed over half his pay just to survive. After breaking it down, he realized his actual survival number was far lower. Most of his money had been leaking into convenience spending, impulse buys, and habits he never questioned. That awareness alone changed his financial path within months. Second, you pay survival first, not savings. Everyone says, pay yourself first, but people living paycheck to paycheck can't save without stress. The rich know a secret: protect what keeps you alive first. Once survival is secured, everything else becomes optional. A woman running an online boutique constantly felt broke despite decent sales. She tried saving first, then struggled to cover monthly necessities, repeatedly dipping into her savings. When she reversed the order, survival first, savings naturally grew. Not because she earned more, but because her system aligned with reality. Third, you create a minimum survival budget instead of a lifestyle budget. This is the hidden secret. Plan for the worst, not the best. Your budget should work even on the lowest income month. When income rises, the extra becomes optional, not mandatory. This is how the rich survive sudden job losses or market downturns. This is how they stay afloat during inflation. This is how wealth quietly grows. A freelance designer faced 3 months of inconsistent income. Her survival budget, lean and realistic, allowed her to adjust without panic. Friends with higher earnings but no survival plan fell into debt during the same period. Fourth, variable income is treated as unstable by default. Schools teach budgeting as if income is fixed. The rich know better. Bonuses, side hustles, gifts, overtime, none of it is guaranteed. Treat them as temporary support, not permanent income. When extra money comes in, assign it a role: catch up, buffer, debt reduction, or future survival coverage. Don't emotionally upgrade your lifestyle based on uncertain inflows. A young man received a large unexpected payout. Instead of spending, he used it to cover future survival costs. Months later, when income slowed, he remained calm while others panicked. Same money, Different mindset. 5th. Stop budgeting every small expense and start budgeting thresholds. Tracking every snack, recharge, or small purchase fails most people. The rich know boundaries, not micromanagement, are key. Allocate a flexible amount for discretionary spending. When it's gone, it's gone. No guilt. No obsessive tracking. A couple frequently argued about money until they switched to threshold spending. Each person had a clear amount for personal use. Arguments stopped. Not because they earned more, but because expectations became clear. 6. Debt payments are treated as survival if they threaten stability. Schools often place debt second or optional. The rich know that missed payments lead to stress, penalties, and setbacks. Protect your stability first. Pay what could disrupt life if ignored. Then attack remaining debt strategically. 7. The method prioritizes calm over optimization. Most people fail financially not due to lack of knowledge but due to stress hijacking decisions. Calm systems beat perfect plans every time. A single mother balancing a tight income tried every budgeting app. She failed repeatedly. When she focused on survival first, she finally felt calm. That calm allowed her to plan, negotiate bills, and save even small amounts consistently. 8. Lifestyle upgrades are delayed until survival capacity expands permanently. Not temporarily. Permanently. Income may rise one month, but until it sustains for several months, don't let survival expand. This is how the rich prevent lifestyle inflation, the silent killer of financial growth. 9. Savings become automatic once survival is stable. Ironically, stopping forced savings often leads to more consistent growth. When survival pressure disappears, the brain allows consistency naturally. Savings stop being punishment and become protection. A young entrepreneur tried saving a fixed amount from his side hustle, but emergencies always drained him. When he recalculated survival costs and treated them as non-negotiable, remaining money became free space. Savings happened naturally because structure created freedom. 10. This method adapts to any income level. Low, irregular, or high income, it works universally. The principle is simple: survival first, everything else negotiable. That's why the rich use it, even if they don't talk about it. Families during hard times, businesses during downturns, even governments during crises all cut to survival, protect the base, then rebuild. The problem is most people abandon the method once money improves. They forget stability came from structure, not income. They return to old habits, inflate lifestyles, and risk starting over during the next crisis. When you adopt this approach, budgeting stops being about control and becomes about resilience. You stop asking, "How do I spend better?" and start asking, "What do I need to survive calmly?" That question changes everything. It changes how you view income. It changes how you view expenses. It changes how you view success. Success stops being about how much you earn and starts being about how stable you are when life gets messy. A man once earned a six-figure salary but constantly felt broke. Friends earning half as much lived comfortably. The difference? They had calculated their minimum survival budgets and protected them. He hadn't. When he applied the survival first method, he realized comfort doesn't come from income, but from structure and stability. Most people are one emergency away from chaos, not because they don't earn enough, but because they never built a survival first system. When survival is secured, everything else becomes optional. You can invest, start a business, take a course, or even travel. None of that matters if your base isn't protected. Many wealthy people aren't extraordinary earners. They are ordinary earners who mastered survival first. They live below their means, delay upgrades, treat bonuses as optional, and never let lifestyle inflation erode stability. When survival is covered, you stop being reactive and start being proactive. You make choices from calm, not fear. You stop living month to month and start planning for the future even slowly. A young couple struggled with fluctuating freelance income, constantly worried about bills and debt. When they switched to a survival-first system, stress disappeared. They even grew a small emergency fund and eventually invested in passive income opportunities. Their change didn't come from earning more but from earning smarter. The secret budget method schools never teach assumes life will go wrong sometimes. Income fluctuates. Motivation fails. Emergencies happen. And the rich design around that reality. It's simple yet overlooked. Invisible yet powerful. Most financial crises don't happen because people earn poorly, they happen because the structure protecting survival is weak. When survival is secured, the rich stop being reactive. They become proactive. They make choices calmly, without panic. They stop spending desperately and start planning strategically. Ask yourself honestly, if your income stopped growing tomorrow, would your current budget protect you or expose you? Could you survive calmly, or would every unexpected expense throw you into chaos? If the answer isn't clear, it's time to rethink how you manage money. Because this is the method the rich know, the one everyone uses quietly to survive, thrive, and build wealth without needing to show it.
For more quality financial education, subscribe and follow our channel. Like, share, and comment.